The 71st Republic Day celebration has begun at Rajpath. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid homage to the fallen soldiers at the newly built National War Memorial on the Republic Day for the first time instead of the Amar Jawan Jyoti beneath the Indian Gate Arch. Brazilian President Jair Messias Bolsonaro, who is the chief guest for the Republic Day celebrations, was accorded the ceremonial guard of honor at the Rashtrapati Bhavan by President Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Amid tightened security for Republic Day celebration, 5 blasts rocked Upper Assam this morning. As per media reports, in Dibrugarh, 2 intensity explosions took place at Astha Hospital and at Eti Road near Gurudwara. Reports also said similar blasts took place at Duliazan, Dumduma and Sonari. No casualties were reported. Former Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has been given Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian award. Olympic medal winner boxer MC Mary Kom has been given Padma Vibhushan. Badminton star PV Sindhu has been conferred Padma Bhushan. The death toll from a virus in China has risen to 56 and the number of people infected across the country is nearing 2,000, authorities said today. 15 more people have died and at least 688 new cases of the coronavirus have now been confirmed, according to National Health Commission. Among the new deaths, 13 were in Hubei, the province at the heart of the outbreak, while Shanghai reported its first death.